Hello everyone, welcome to our Trust Kids. In today's video, we are going to learn digraph made by T and H, which sounds th. Let us see the words starting with digraph th. While reading, we will read red letter first, orange letter next, and blue letter at the end. So let's get started. Thief, thief. Ink, think. Thorn, thorn. Thumb, thumb. Thin, thin. Thick, thick. Under, thunder. Good job. Now we will read words ending with th. Math, math. Cloth, cloth. Moth, moth. Sloth, sloth. Mouth, mouth. Width, width. Good job! This is how we learn to read the words starting with digraph th and the words ending with digraph th. See you in the next video with another digraph. Till then, happy reading! If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.